Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can generate random yet strong passwords with 20 simple lines of Python code. So let's get started. So now I'm in my computer and I'll quickly jump onto my text editor, Visual Studio Code. You can use any text editor you want, but I personally prefer this text editor. So this is what our code will look like, and I'm just gonna show you an example how it works. So as you can see, I'll just gonna go ahead and run the file through terminal. So it is asking me to enter a password length. I would be choosing 20 for an example. As you can see, it gave me a really rogue and a really powerful password. So I'm gonna guide you step by step through the whole process of writing this code, and I'm gonna explain every line to you. So I'm just gonna go ahead and delete this. Then I'm gonna save the file. I'm gonna clear the terminal slate. And so the first thing that we have to do is that we have to import random. So to generate random passwords, we have to import the library random. So I'm going to go ahead and write import random. Then I'm going to also import string. So these are the two libraries that we need for this project: import and random and string. After you have done that, you have to create an if statement stating underscore underscore name underscore underscore, that is equals to in quotation marks underscore underscore main, and then underscore underscore, and that's it. So this is the if statement, and we are just gonna go ahead and write a colon, and the next line, that would be s1, so that would be the string 1, string dot ASCII, so that is ASCII lowercase, and then there would be S2, then there would be string dot ASCII uppercase, then again S3, that would be splitting string dot digits, and that then there would be S4, that would be string 4, again string dot punctuation. So those are all the variables that we need for this project, and then we are gonna add another variable that would be plan in this if statement only. Plan is equal to int, and in parenthesis we are gonna take the input. So the input would be enter the password length that we need for this project. So input, and the input, we are going to open another set of parentheses for the input, and the input would be enter the password length. So enter the password length. So enter the password length, that's all we need. Then we are just gonna head to the next line, and we are gonna create an open string. So brackets, s brackets, and after that we are gonna write s dot extended. So that would be s dot extended list, then s1, and we are gonna need this for every string we have created. So we have created 4 strings, so that would be s1, s2, s3, and then s4, and that's it. We are just gonna go ahead and print. So I'm just gonna go ahead and print your password is, and that's it. That's all we need. And then after that we're just gonna write print the password. So that would be quotation marks dot join, that would be random dot that would be sample, in another set of parentheses, that would be s comma plan. And that's the whole code we need for this project. And I'm just gonna go ahead and save this file. I'm also gonna leave the links to my GitHub repository down below, so if you want to copy and paste the code, you can copy and paste it from there. And I'm just gonna run this file through the terminal, and as you can see, it is telling me to enter the password length. To make it more interesting, I will write 30. As you can see, it is a rogue password, and this is a really strong password. So yeah, if you like this video, smash the like button down there and subscribe to the channel, and comment down below which tutorial do you want next, and I'll see you next time.